let me show you how I made a very easy and quick knit drawstring bag on the knitting machine. I started off by casting on with some waste yarn and making a few rows. Then I switched to my main color, which is this blue. And I made 160 rows all together, since it's going to be folded up, and I wanted to make sure that it's going to be as big and long as I want. Then I finished off with a few more rows of waste yarn. Removed it from the machine. Then I fold it into itself so that it should be doubled. And lined up all the 4 sides of the bottom. Grab the needle and a long piece of yarn. I doubled up the yarn that I'm going to be sewing it up with so that it should be nice and sturdy. And picked up with the needle the stitches that are between the waste yarn on that first row of each side, going into 4 stitches to make sure I pick up all open sides. I hope that makes sense, but you can see in the video how I'm doing it. And pull the yarn through all 4 stitches. After that first one, I knotted the tail to secure it down. And like this, I went along to close the bottom of the bag. Once I reached the end, I made a nice knot to make it secure. Then removed all the waste yarn. At the end, I hidden all the tails into the double layer since it's doubled, so I hid them inside, and like this they can't be seen from either side of the project. Now for the string, I made a long chain. Next, I put the chain through the needle. Then found whereabout I want the drawstring to be. And with the needle weaved in, trying to keep on the same row the whole time, making sure I'm going through both layers of the knit, in and out of the stitches all around the bag. Once that's done, the drawstring bag is ready. As you can see, you could pull it close and open, make a knot, make a little bow, however you like to close it. And it's extremely practical and fun and easy and quick to make, so try it out yourself.